Hi, it's Kate with WTI. Now, when I tell you that I don't just hate sanding drywall, I loathe it, it is not an understatement. But this InoKraft drywall sander has been a total game changer. Now, I am not a professional drywaller or mudder or sander or any of that. So, of course, my mud goes on a little thicker than it should. And so when you're doing that manually, it takes so long and it is so messy. This machine makes it go so much faster, but not only that, it collects, I would say like 95% of the dust. The reduction in dust was incredible. It blew our minds. It's very easy to use. You just put it together. The instructions are very simple to follow. It comes with several different grits of sandpaper. One sheet lasted us the entire room, which was awesome. It has a built-in vacuum. Now, if you were doing something like popcorn sealing and you have a lot of debris, you may want to attach an external vacuum, and it does come with the adapters for that as well. But for just the basics, the one that comes with it is perfectly fine. It collects so much dust. It's easy to empty when you're done as well. It does take a little bit of getting used to, just as far as how long to linger on a spot, because it is powerful. You can adjust the suction, you can adjust the speed, so you have to play around with it to get used to it. It comes with a strap to take some of the pressure off because, of course, it does carry some weight, but it glides along really easily. Another one of my favorite features is that it has a built-in light. The difference this makes to spot all of those imperfections is crazy. You think you have a smooth wall until you put this light on it. So whether you are a professional or you're a DIYer, I think you will love this tool. It's worth it even just for one job as far as I'm concerned. It really takes the headache away and it speeds up the process and makes it enjoyable. And I think you will be blown away too. And that's my point of view.